This is Lake Tahoe, surrounded by high peaks, many ski lines, and expensive homes. In this video, we ski into the Desolation wilderness and stay at the Ludlow Ski Hut for 3 days alone. It's nestled at the base of Corner Mountain along the west shore of Lake Tahoe. Join us for our 2-night, 3-day trip.
Well, a classic start to our trip. Organizing at the trailhead for an hour.
Shake it.
Finally getting out of the state park. Headed up this valley here for the next 5 miles and then we're there. Sun's starting to set, temps are dropping. It is getting cold. Definitely be night skiing tonight. There are headlamps. Kind of slow going here, but at least we have a shelter tonight and really happy about a wood burning stove.
Yeah!
Don't get a hernia. Oh my gosh, look at you whip it around. We arrive late. Start late and arrive late. This place was rented out last night. It's completely full, but I think it's just us tonight.
Wow, this is so sketch. Didn't work.
Is it on the right code? You have it left to right?
Yeah. At the second floor north side door, use the combination to open the padlock and enter the building.
Are we on the north
Descend the stairs, remove the bar, securing the first floor door from inside.
So we could not get the lock to work up top to get in. We had an email to get in. I can go in if you want. Luckily, this freaking window was not locked last night, so we were able to get in because this could have been very bad. We don't have sleep systems to be dealing with these, like 13 to 10.
Woo.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
I am too. That's ridiculous, but I'm stoked for it. Literally cannot believe we were not able to get in. Like, so dangerous. The temps tonight are probably somewhere in the low teens, and I have like a 32-degree bag. Do have my bivvy for emergency, and we would have had to just like sleep out here right next to a fire. I know we would survive. We'd have a fire all night. I have a bivvy. Banjo, get out of there.
Yeah, we'd just be up all night with the fire.
Yeah. But like for how expensive it is, what, $50 a night?
Yeah, per person.
It's like tacos, huh? Nice.
wood chip into her, but yeah. I have an option.
She's got an option. This is definitely one of the most interesting bathroom situations that a hut I've been to. Yosemite had a weird one. This is weird though. But you climb this ladder, go to this ledge, open the door, and then you down climb, and then there's two toilets in there. Our first morning at Ludlow, we filled our bodies with nutrition and coffee, then set out for a day of shredding behind what was our little mountain cabin for a few days. Yoo-hoo! I'll see you down there. Well, lap one was super sick, super surfy, good. We're gonna go skin back up and go for lap number 2.
Woke up on the wall, 7 years of winter. Always wanting more, but we still have each other. It's a classic wasteland.
Well, I just visited my old friend, Pacific Crest Trail. 2018 was my year through hiking, so cool. Always cool to step foot on it, but this time with the split board. And actually, last time I visited the PCT was Kennedy Meadows. After an entire day of great skiing, we nestled up in the hut, the wood-burning stove emitting an abundance of heat. We also had 1 pound of fresh brownies to eat. We were tired and ready for bed, not to hear a tweet. But we're about 1 more mile from the road. Highway 89. Or stick out my thumb and get a hitch somewhere.
Off you go. goes. Doing the work. Hopefully getting a hitch to where our truck is so they can come pick us up.
Well, I started walking, met a guy along the road, chatted with him for 5 minutes, and then Erica radioed me, asked if I found a ride. Did not, and she said she ran into some guy. He lives a block from here. Apparently he's gonna come give me a ride. Old Cecil, thank you, sir. It's literally been 4 minutes trying to walk and hitch a ride. Awesome, gotta love people. All right, my friends, we just got a hitch back to the truck. Now I have to go pick up Erica at the trailhead. Catch you guys in the next video. Have any questions, comment below. Be good to one another. Peace.